got a care package.
And she made me come in here and join her.
From YouTube channel Sayystella. Thank you, Sayystella, for sending us a box of Canadian Snacks.
What's in the box?
Let's find out, shall we? So, I have no idea what's in here.
As long as it's not a head.
It is wrapped in red paper with Canadian sticker. Canadian
Canada.
They really are nice.
Isn't that the...
Oh, Canada.
I think I heard that on the Olympics one year or something.
Something like that. I know, I'm a terrible singer. All right, you ready? Ooh, there's lots of snacks.
I'm actually hungry, so you should let me eat all the good stuff.
Oh wait, there's a note. There's a note.
I'm not eating the note.
There are 19 things in here. Dear, like it or not, welcome to Canada. Today in this lovely box, I can't read and look at the camera. I have packed just for you guys. Here is what you will find. And instead of eating it in the order that's on this, because I feel like that might not, ooh, you know what we need? We need water.
If by that you mean sweet tea, I agree.
Rockets, basically compacted sugar, they said. And I know what these are.
In America, those are Smarties.
These are Smarties.
Which is funny because they actually have something else called Smarties.
But this is what our Smarties look like.
Oddly enough, someone at work gave me a pack of those today.
Rockets. Okay, and let's see if they taste like our Smarties.
How do you eat yours? Tastes like a Smarties.
So, Canada Rockets are American Smarties. I got a story about Smarties.
Oh, not the story
Okay,
again.
Rockets.
I've already heard this story. I'm gonna leave it now.
We'd go to the movies when I was little and as a kid, and my brother and I could pick out one snack we wanted to take. I always chose Smarties, and he always chose Dum Dums.
And it's still not funny. Moving on.
To the Canadian Smartie.
Which at first glance looks like an M&M.
It's made by Nestle.
But it's Canadian Nestle.
It's peanut free. Candy coated chocolate. You're going to eat yours before I can eat mine?
It doesn't have the hard shell, it's a little bit sticky. It's a different consistency chocolate than our M&Ms.
Right.
It's also wider.
It's a different color. They're like more pastel. But they're good.
You're gone.
Lay's Ketchup Chips. Delish.
That's Ketchup Chips.
Oh.
I've actually never heard of those.
Lay's Ketchup Chips? I thought it was kettle.
I did too at first.
And it clearly says ketchup.
Huh. Shall we?
This is Delish, a Canadian fave.
Shall we?
Open it.
Kind of smells like ketchup. Shall I take the first bite? A little salty. It's kind of a hint of ketchup, but it's not like a strong ketchup.
I smell ketchup. I should have taken a picture of all this stuff before we ate it.
You're probably not going to be a fan. They're not bad, but I don't know if you'd be a fan of them. Although you love salty. Do you detect the salty?
I do.
It's almost a little bit more like...
Sort of like Doritos, but not.
Well, I'm thinking, what's the dill pickle chips? Salt and vinegar? Yeah, it's almost a little bit more salt and vinegar tasting to me. That is the flavor profile of the chip. Man, I kind of get the ketchup flavor.
Oh, I get the ketchup.
I mean, it's hard to mimic ketchup in a chip with a powder. They're not bad though. Shall I keep eating?
Maynards Sour Patch Kids. Maynards Sour Patch. We've got Sour Patch. It's just not Maynards.
Isn't that the big
Okay.
one of the big chain stores up in
Yes,
Canada?
I think so. Fuzzy Peach.
Although, are we pronouncing it right? But no, I think Maynards is Menards. I think there's a Maynards or something.
All right, here's the Maynards.
Or maybe that's how you pronounce. I don't know. I guess they'll have to tell us below how we have butchered
Maynards.
their names to ever live in everything.
So we've
Our
got
apologies.
Sour Patch Kids, Fuzzy Peaches, Swedish Berries, and Swedish Fish. All of which we have.
Yeah, I think we
Swedish
have
Fish.
these two here.
We probably
just
have
not
something
Maynards.
similar. It just might look a little bit shaped Swedish Berries.
Yeah.
Okay, this.
It's like a gummy. Gummy. Almost a jelly bean texture.
Mm-hmm.
It have berries. Almost dissolved away, didn't it?
No.
Mine did. Maybe you don't know how to eat them.
You want another one?
Is that your way of saying you're not a fan?
No, I like these. We just have a lot more. So put these to the side.
So wait, you want to move on to some fuzzy peach? You want me to eat the peach? These are a little tart. They got peach
These
up.
sort of look like the, I mean they don't look like them, but you know the peach rings?
I like the similar to it too. It's got like a sour coating.
That's exactly what it tastes like. Not a huge like sour fan.
So that's your way of saying I'll be eating those?
Well, they're fine. Swedish Fish.
Yeah, these I have seen.
Do they look like our Swedish Fish?
Considering I don't know what our Swedish fish even look like.
So
It's
they're
kind of like
like
a fake fish.
I think our Swedish Fish might be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I think ours actually has more contoured shapes and little things as well.
But that tastes like them.
Yeah. Standard flavored gummy. Let's see, are they different flavors? You're a little yellow fishy. We gonna eat you up. No, it's the same flavor.
No. That one tastes different.
Yeah, lemony.
Sour Patch because
You had enough sour.
if it's anything like our Sour Patch.
Oh yeah, it's sour. Woo! I forgot how sour these were. Just like that, just more sour. Bet that sweet tea ain't gonna be so unsweet now.
I really should have taken a picture. And there's something else in here. Ruffles all dressed. I'm sorry. Ruffles all dressed. And it's a simulated flavor.
Oh wait. Oh no. Freebie! That's like when you get something.
Bonus!
That's like when you get something at the machine and that other thing falls with it.
Okay, just want to make sure that there's nothing else in here before we start digging
Meanwhile,
in.
someone at their house is like, "Hey, have you seen my bag of chips?"
Wait,
Pretty good.
could you make that noise one more time?
Well, it's very subtle. Try one.
I apologize for the face because I'm probably going to make one.
Well, it's a very mild flavor. It's not strong, like the ketchup ones are.
You lie.
Or maybe
Strong.
that Sour Patch is kind of overpowering it from earlier.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
These are pretty good. I like these. I like these better than the ketchup ones. Pardon me while I keep eating.
He likes those.
So, what's next? I
Okay.
guess this is probably the default factory standard.
Look what we have. Twix.
Is that left Twix or right Twix?
This is right Twix, this is left Twix.
I think you had another way around.
Something's wrong. We eat something that we know. The
I like
Twix.
them.
I mean, it looks like it's in French and English too.
Probably everything there is. Not like everything here nowadays is in Spanish.
I'm pretty sure that this is the left Twix.
Right one. See a little dimple right there? That's the right Twix. Does it taste like American Twix?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
I will say that if I'd never had a Twix, and this was my first experience with a Twix, I would need another one.
Meaning it's good?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying that. I think it's time to break this up with.
Good, because I'm out of tea.
So,
Tea refill. Mr. Big.
oh, that sounds like that television show. A caramel milk bar, milk chocolate and caramel inside.
That was all me. I saw that one a minute ago.
Liar, liar, pants on fire. We're gonna share this.
Okay, sure.
All right.
It'd be funny if we won the $100,000 from the rapper.
It would be. That would be very Canadian All right,
Mm-hmm.
of you. Tootsie Roll.
My
A
Tootsie
Tootsie
Roll.
Roll.
My Tootsie Roll. That's just scary.
We have Tootsie Rolls.
We have
here.
those here.
First of all, this is from Canada. It's got Canada air in it. Should I be putting on my mask?
Don't you mean A?
Oh, Canadians are too nice to send COVID in the mail. All right. Sorry, I had to.
I've always wondered,
Right.
like, the big joke in America is that Canadians are all nice. What's the big joke in Canada about Americans?
We're all assholes.
We're fat. Both of which are relatively true.
All right. I'm not. You paused too long.
No, it's like my spidey senses are all tingling. Like, wait a minute, this is a trap. Admiral Akbar, it's a trap.
Okay.
Does this shirt make me look fat? I learned that one from you.
Well, I know the answer then.
Wait, is this the dating answer or the married 20 years answer? Dating answers, no, all I can see are your six-pack abs.
All I can
Married
say-
answer is, no, the fat makes you look fat.
No. The dating answer is, oh, you look fabulous. And the married answer is, I can see your nipples. Yeah,
You already opened the tape.
I did.
You cheated.
Well, I can't see what's inside.
But you opened the tape.
I did.
It's like a big taboo. Oh. Are you literally holding a hose?